Welcome to this tutorial on generating random integers with NumPy. In this video, we'll explore the randint function from NumPy's random module, which allows you to generate random integer arrays efficiently. This is an essential tool for simulations, data analysis, and machine learning applications. The basic syntax of randint is straightforward. You call np.random.randint, passing three main parameters: low, high, and size. The function returns random integers from low, which is inclusive, to high, which is exclusive. This means the returned values will include low but will never include high. Let's break down each parameter. The low parameter specifies the lowest integer to be drawn and is inclusive. The high parameter specifies one above the largest integer to be drawn, making it exclusive. The size parameter is optional and defines the shape of the output array. If you don't specify size, the function returns a single integer. Here's a simple example of generating a single random integer. We import NumPy as np, then call np.random.randint with 1 and 10 as arguments. This returns a random integer between 1 and 9, since 10 is exclusive. In this example, the output is 7, but your result will vary each time you run the code. To generate a one-dimensional array, we add the size parameter. In this example, we generate 5 random integers between 0 and 99. The size equals 5 parameter tells NumPy to create an array with 5 elements. The output shows an array with 5 random integers, such as 23, 67, 12, 89, and 45. You can also create multi-dimensional arrays by passing a tuple to the size parameter. Here, we set size to a tuple containing 3 and 4, which creates a 3 by 4 matrix. This generates a two-dimensional array with 3 rows and 4 columns, filled with random integers between 1 and 49. The randint function has many practical applications. You can use it for simulating dice rolls and game mechanics in gaming applications. It's perfect for creating random test datasets in data science projects. You'll also find it useful for random sampling and data shuffling tasks. Additionally, it's commonly used for initializing machine learning parameters with random values. Let's recap the key points. Use randint with low and high parameters to generate single random integers. Add the size parameter when you need arrays of random integers. Remember that the range is inclusive of low but exclusive of high. Finally, this function is perfect for simulations, random sampling, and many other applications. With practice, you'll find randint to be an invaluable tool in your NumPy toolkit.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.